Ready for the fun part of this dashboard? Wonderful. When we click on the line chart, our circles and text appear below with information about that name. This all happens because of one little dashboard action. Let's see how it works. We'll make a new dashboard. Good. Now in step 1, we built a line chart. In step 2, we built our 2 text visualizations. And in step 3, we built our circles. We'll drag all of this onto the dashboard. And we're not worrying right now about our layout or design. We're just trying to get everything out and talking to each other. And then we'll tweak the aesthetics in step 5. For now, though, let's change the dashboard size to automatic. And that way we can see everything. Great. Now, for the dashboard action, come up to Dashboard in the top menu and then click Actions. We want to add an action, and we want our action to filter. Remember what we want to actually happen. We want to click on the line chart and then change the filter on the text and the circles to match the name we've selected. All right, now this pop-up box can seem a little complicated at first glance, but stick with me for a second. It's actually pretty straightforward. It's asking you for 4 things. First, source sheets just means where does the action start? For us, that's the line chart. See why we named our sheets here? Good. Second, we want to trigger our dashboard action when we click or select a mark on our line chart. Great. Now when we click on the line chart, we want to update the other 3 sheets, but that won't change the line chart. And finally, when we unclick the line and have no names selected, we want the text and circles to disappear. So we'll select Exclude All Values. All right, let's give this a try. Let's click on our line chart and watch the other visualizations update. Okay, what's working here and what's not? The name is right, the sheets are disappearing when I release my selection, but the total and the circles are off. What's wrong with them? They're actually filtering too much. Do you see what's happening? When I click the line, I'm not just filtering by the name, Beverly, I'm filtering it down to just the year, 1945. Here's how we'll fix this. Come back up to the dashboard actions, edit our filter, and come down to this very bottom box called Target Filters. Right now, our filter is set to all fields, which is why when we click on a specific year for a specific name, it's cascading those restraints down through the other 3 sheets. So let's loosen it up a notch by adding a filter that only looks at the name variable. Okay, let's give that a try. And there we go. That's what we're looking for. Now when we click on a line, we get that name's total for the entire line, not just the year where we happen to click. And we're also seeing all of our circles. Great. Now, if we go back and check out the underlying visualizations, we'll see a new pill on each filters card. In italics, the pill reminds you there's a dashboard action that's linking these results to the filter choices made on the dashboard. This action filter is overriding the original filter, so you can go ahead and remove those from these 3 visualizations. They won't hurt anything by being there, but cleaning up your viz is always a good habit to get into. That way, when you reopen this workbook in a couple months, you'll be able to decipher what you did. And that'll do it for step 4. Now that we've got our 4 visualizations all talking to each other, we're ready for our final step. Let's make this dashboard beautiful.